Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening sound settings from the taskbar. Click the speaker icon, then select Open Sound Settings so you can see input controls. This step reveals the currently selected microphone and lets you access device properties. It's important because Windows may default to a different device. Once visible, make sure your mic appears in the input list and that it shows activity when you speak. If not, check physical connections and privacy permissions before proceeding. Next, pick the microphone you want from the input dropdown. This changes which device Windows uses for apps. You'll then click Device Properties to adjust volume and test the mic. Raising gain helps quiet mics, while lowering prevents clipping. Make sure the correct format is selected in Additional Device Properties if available, because sample rate mismatches can cause noise. If your mic still doesn't show or has poor audio, run the built-in troubleshoot tool to diagnose drivers or hardware conflicts. Finally, confirm the change by testing in Voice Recorder or the app you use for meetings. You want to hear clear input and see activity meters. If sound is distorted or missing, open Device Manager to update or reinstall the microphone driver. Drivers often solve compatibility problems. Make sure to restart any app that was open during changes so it recognizes the new input. And as a final tip, if issues continue, try a different USB port or another microphone to isolate hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.